Fish on. That's a better fish. I think that's a nice perch. Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. It's another lunchtime power hour. I don't know if some of you will have seen my Instagram post. The plan going forward for this is to film every session I get out on my lunch and hopefully turn it into a mini series at the end of the week, if I have time to edit and things like that. But yeah, that's the plan. Just gives people insight as to what you can actually do with a little amount of time on the bank. There'll be people like me who work, who have kids, other commitments, whose time is limited. So these lunchtime hours are a great time to get out and just get a few bites on the rod, a bit of bend in the rod, and cure the itch. That's how I've got out. And some of my best fish have come on these power hours. So yeah, we'll see how we get on anyway. Hopefully it's a success, but you know, fishing is what it is. There's never any guarantees with it. So yeah, we'll see how we get on and see what happens in this video. No wind at the minute. I'm going to try and get over to the far bank and get a chub while I can still manage it without this wind. We're in the danger zone. It's just whether we can actually hold it now with this wind. If it stays pretty calm, we might get away with it, but we'll see. Oh, just had a knock, first cast. Oh, and again. And again. I've got a feeling they're the little... Oh, we've got one. Don't know if you saw that rod. Here we go. Perch. There you go. Little perch. Tiny ones. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera there, but down there there's loads of bait fish jumping. So I don't know if you can see, there's like lily pads here, and then further on there's a second set, and just after them that's where the perch are chasing. Now I've only got light tackle on, so if I get caught in lilies I'm probably not getting it back. Oh, literally perch straight away. It literally hit the water and the fish were on. Yeah, it's perch, it's just little ones. Oh crazy, it literally hit the water. There you go. Actually engulfed it as well. Oh, I just had a bite then. That just nicked the tail, I think. Strange. And I can't really tell because this lure's already knackered from pike. It's had some batter. I don't know if that's fresh. I don't know. Definitely had a hit then. Yeah, we got one. I don't know if you saw it on camera. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Absolutely T-boned that. If you can see, it's only a small, really small one. I'm going to have to get a net on him though. I don't like netting them, but I'm going to have to. I don't know if you can see him. Hopefully camera picked up that strike because it was pretty cool. On here, baby. Come here. Get you in that. There we go. I'll just check where it might need to get pliers out, so we'll have a look. We're on grass, so it's not going to do no damage. It's just been cut as well, so plenty of padding for him. Right, that's quickly it. But we're not going to mess around with him because it nicked his raker. Back he goes. He's gone. A little bite then. Oh, and again. There we go. Hey, this is a nice fish. It's alright perch. Oh, bass land him. Get him over at grass so if he falls, it's safe. There you go. I think next time I come down, if I come down here, I'll stick a big bait on. Oh, got another one. It feels a bit better. Yeah, it's a nice perch. Probably can just get away with bass landing this. Let me crouch down. There we go. Over at grass, like always. Oh, he's had a pike's had hold of him. Don't know if you can see that. You're a lucky man. Last cast, and then lock gates are open, and so just had a good fish on it as well. Yeah, boat traffic started. It's not sitting right. Fish on. Ah, yeah, what a hit that was. Beautiful hit, that's a perch, that. Yeah, it's a nice perch. Whacked that on the drop. I can get my net out. There we go. The first fish of the day. It's a greedy perch. There you go. Nice fish. We'll put him back. And he's gone. Fish on. That were right guys, I'll just show you this. This is not a big fish at all. And it's absolutely choked 10cm bait. So it just shows you don't be scared to use big baits sometimes, because sometimes they're keyed up on them. There you go. There you have it. You'll see what I mean. Fish on. That's a better fish. I think that's a nice perch. Wow, what a hit that was. What a hit that was. I'm getting that out. That was a ronking. Oh no, it's a pike. It's a pike. I thought that was a perch. Whoa. A little Jackie. I thought that was a perch at first. Them little pike get your heart beating, thinking that big perch. The way it shook its head. Come on, give yourself up. It's the importance of using that wire as well, guys. If you make sure you got it when there's pike around. Right, there we go. We've got him in. I'm just going to leave him in the net in the shade while I get the pliers, and we'll get him out unhooked and back. Look at him, little Jackie. Away he goes. So week 1 power hour is done and dusted with, guys. We managed 2 hours on the bank this week. We got some pike and perch. We had a bit of fun, and that's what it's all about, these short sessions. As you can see, I am not in the car after the session. The outro didn't record, so I'd do it in-house. But yeah, we had a lot of fun, and that's what these short sessions are about. It's about just getting out, getting some fish to bank, and having a bit of fresh air during your lunch hour. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.